Stop scrolling if you've ever admired the gritty, rebellious look of a rat rod. The art of rat rod paint and patina is about breaking rules with creative flair, right in your own garage. Rat rods have roots in drag racing and speed contests, where builders prized function and style over polish. Forget flawless show car finishes. Rat rod enthusiasts use household and hardware store materials to craft unique, time-worn masterpieces. Want that authentic, weathered look? Vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, and salt can accelerate rust on bare metal panels, mimicking decades of wear. For faux patina, try layering spray paint, then sanding it back in spots to reveal hints of primer or bare steel beneath. Some builders use shoe polish, tea, or coffee to stain raw wood or faded interiors, giving them a storybook charm. Masking tape creates crisp lines for vintage lettering or custom graphics, while a sprinkle of baking soda in paint can add texture for a sun-baked effect. The possibilities are endless when you embrace imperfection and experiment with what's already in your toolbox. Rat rod paint and patina is about attitude, not expense. So grab those DIY supplies and let your creativity roar.